Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find deleted apps on Android. So if you delete an app by mistake or just cannot find certain apps on your phone, you don't need to worry. I'll show you how you can find and recover deleted apps on any Android phone in seconds. So first, you can open the Google Play Store on your phone. And here, just tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and go to the Manage Apps and Device. Click on the Manage tab. And in here, find the click on the Installed options or this device options and choose the Not Install in here. So now you'll see every app that was once on your device but isn't installed anymore. You can just look for the one you lost. Let's say this app's in here, and after that you can just hit on install to bring it back. You can also sort by recently removed. You can tap on the short icon in here and choose on this one, recently updated or added. And in here you'll see the apps that got recently deleted from your device. But if you know the name of the app, you can use the search bar at the top to directly find the apps on the Play Store and to find it instantly. You can also use the Google My Activity, but this is optional. So if you still cannot remember the name, you can just go to the page myactivity.google.com. You can open your browser and find the page myactivity.google.com in here, this one, and then you can just search and filter by app activity to trace what you used recently. And that's it. You have now recovered your lost app in just a few taps. So that's pretty much all from me. If this video helped you, you can give it a like, hit subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. But if you still have questions, you can also leave a comment down below. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.